Hello and welcome to UPS Education. Today we are going to talk about how to fill M.Phil Clinical Psychology's application form for RML Hospital. So first of all, go to our website upseducation.in/update and then get down to the article, the RML Hospital article. Open the article. Here you can find all the necessary information regarding the hospital, the process of selection in which the exam will take place, and everything regarding that, and the eligibility criteria, the syllabus for the exam, the course duration, application process, important dates, and application form, which you need to download because this is an offline submission, and you need to download the application form, print the download and take a printout of the application form, fill the application form, and then submit it yourself, or you can also email send it via post. Okay, so let's download the application form, and then we're gonna open the application form. Now you need to take a look at the application form, the complete application form. After that, you need to fill in the name, your name in capital letters. Then you need to fill in the name of the program for which you are applying, and then you need to fill in the name of the school, center or institute, which is RML Hospital. Fill in the full name. Then you need to fill in the address for correspondence. Then you need to fill in your address where you live. Then email ID, your email ID so that they can contact you. Your contact number, your husband's name, then your mother's name. Then you need to fill in the date of birth and first day, then month, then year. After that, you need to fill in your gender, male, female, or transgender. Then you need to fill in the category of which you belong to: general, OBC creamy layer, EWS, SC or ST. After that, you need to fill in the subcategory if you are from PWD category or not. If you are, then fill in yes. If not, then fill in no. Okay. Then you need to fill in your educational qualifications and experiences. So what you need to do is you need to attach a self-verified copy of the documentary evidence, meaning you just need to self-attest it. Okay. And so first of all, you need to fill in your 10th standards detail, your school's name, then your subject that you had in 10th standard. Then you need to fill in your year of passing. Then you need to fill in your marks or CGPA. Same with senior secondary. Now you need to fill in 12th, where you did your 12th class, your subject in 12th, your year of passing is ECGPA. Then you need to fill in your undergrad's detail, your college, the subjects that you had, and then year of passing. After that, you need to fill in the CGPA. Then post-graduation's college, subject, year of passing, and CGPA or marks. If you have any other education qualification, then you can fill in that too and attach its documents, right? So now you need to fill in the demand draft. You need to fill in the demand draft number. Then you need to fill in the date of the demand draft. Then you need to fill in the amount, which is 2,500 and non-negotiable and non-refundable. Then you need to fill in the bank name drawn on which bank's name, the name of the bank on which it's drawn on. Sign. Put your signature here with the date. Make sure you enclose all the self-attested copies of your academic qualification, your category certificate if you apply, if you check for PWD, or if you are from other categories other than general. And then you need to attach the demand draft, original demand draft, and that would be it. And then you need to send this via post to the address mentioned in the article for the university, or you can just go to the university directly, Indraprastha University, and submit it to them there in their admission office. Thank you for watching.